Let's break down how to conjugate regular present tense verbs in Spanish in a way that makes sense for English speakers who are just starting to learn Spanish. Introduction to Spanish verb conjugation. In English, we use different forms of verbs to match the subject of the sentence. For example, we say, I speak, but he speaks. Spanish works in a similar way, but there are more forms to match each subject. 3 types of regular verbs. Spanish verbs end in "ar" or "er". We will look at each type and see how to change the verb endings to match the subject. Verb endings in Spanish. Let's start with the verb endings for each type. Ar verbs, like hablar, which means to speak. Er verbs, like comer, which means to eat. Like ir verbs, like vivir, which means to live. Conjugating ar verbs. First, let's look at ar verbs using hablar to speak as an example. 1. Yo hablo, I speak. 2. Tú hablas, you speak. 3. Él, ella, usted habla, he, she, you speak. 4. Nosotros, nosotras hablamos, we speak. 5. Vosotros, vosotras habláis, you all speak. 6. Ellos, ellas, ustedes hablan, they, you all speak. Here's how to do it. Remove the ar ending. Add the new endings, o, as, amos, ais, an. Conjugating er verbs. Now let's look at er verbs using comer to eat as an example. 1. Yo como, I eat. 2. Com, you eat. 3. Ella, usted come eat. 4. Nosotros, nosotras comemos, we eat. 5. Ellos, ellas, ustedes comen. Here's how to do it. Remove the er ending. Add the new endings, o, es, amos, ais, en. Conjugating ir verbs. Finally, let's look at ir verbs using vivir, to live as an example. 1. Yo vivo, I live. 2. Tú vives. 3. Él, ella, usted vive. 4. Nosotros, nosotras vivimos, we live. 5. Vosotros, you all live. 6. Ellos, ellas, ustedes viven, they all live. Here's how to do it. Remove the er ending, viv. Add the new endings, os, imos, is, en. Quick summary to conjugate a regular verb in Spanish. 1. Remove the ar or er ending. 2. Add the new endings based on the subject. Who is doing the action?